Hello, CyberTech Guard listeners. Today, we're diving into an important topic that's making waves in the cybersecurity world: how Python-based bots are being used to exploit FTP servers and fuel the proliferation of gambling platforms. Stick with me because this is a story that not only highlights the ingenuity of cybercriminals, but also the vulnerabilities that we need to be vigilant about. The anatomy of the threat. First, let's break down what's happening. Cybercriminals are leveraging Python-based bots to target servers running FTP. FTP is a widely used scripting language that powers about 77% of all websites on the internet. Its popularity makes it a prime target for exploitation. These bots are crafted to identify and exploit vulnerabilities in FTP-based servers. Once a weakness is found, the bots infiltrate and use the compromised servers as the backbone for their operations, namely hosting gambling platforms or supporting related malicious activities. Why gambling platforms? You might wonder, why gambling platforms? The answer is simple: money. Online gambling is a highly lucrative industry, both legally and illegally. Criminals can quickly generate profits by setting up unauthorized gambling sites, avoiding regulations, and evading taxes. By exploiting FTP servers, they reduce overhead costs and use someone else's infrastructure for free. How does this exploitation work? Here's a high-level overview: scanning and reconnaissance. The bots scan the internet for FTP servers with known vulnerabilities such as unpatched software or misconfigurations. Exploitation. Once a target is identified, the bot uses exploit scripts designed to take advantage of specific vulnerabilities. Server compromise. After gaining access, the server is configured to host gambling platforms or act as a support node for other malicious activities, such as redirecting traffic or distributing malware. Persistence. The bots often install backdoors to maintain access, making it harder to remove them completely. The bigger picture. This issue isn't just about gambling sites. The compromised servers can also be used for other malicious activities: hosting phishing campaigns, distributing ransomware or other malware, acting as command and control. C2 servers for botnets. The implications are vast, especially for small businesses and individual website owners who might not realize their servers are compromised until it's too late. What can you do? Now, let's talk about what you, as a website owner or IT professional, can do to protect your infrastructure. Regularly update software. Ensure that FTP, server software, and all associated frameworks are up to date. Vulnerabilities are often patched in newer versions. Implement strong authentication. Use strong passwords and enable multi-factor authentication (MFA) for server access. Conduct regular security audits. Regularly review your server configurations and look for any signs of compromise. Deploy web application firewalls (WAFs). A WAF can block many common attack vectors that bots use. Monitor traffic. Unusual spikes in traffic or data transfers could indicate malicious activity. Backup data. Always maintain secure backups to restore systems in the event of a breach. The rise of Python-based bots exploiting FTP servers is a reminder that the digital world is a constantly evolving battlefield. Cybercriminals are always looking for new ways to profit from vulnerabilities. It's up to us to stay informed and proactive. Remember, cybersecurity isn't just about protecting data. It's about safeguarding the trust and reliability of the digital systems we depend on. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay secure. That's all for today's episode of CyberTech Guard. If you found this topic helpful, make sure to share it and leave a comment. Together, we can make the digital world a safer place. Until next time, stay safe out there.